So we're gonna be doing a little bit of a walkthrough on how to do just a basic polish on a pair of shoes. Let's get into it. I'm CleanKIX. I'm CleanKIX 7, CleanKIX E, CleanKIX Ev, CleanKIX E Dizzle, whatever you want to call me. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some polishing on a pair of shoes. Okay, really all you need is some polish. Make it fun. Look, Lindsay. Oh, with that open. Zoomies. And then you can look, the inside of this looks really cool. We need to get one of those lenses. What are they called? The like really long skinny ones, and you can like get inside stuff. Yeah, I think those are so dope. You need like a whole rig too to make it like look smooth. I just totally zoned out. Oh yeah, I could show off the haircut, the little, hey, nothing too crazy. Anyways, the new hair, new me. Stop. So basically all you need is some polish, a horsehair brush, and your polishing rag. Usually it's microfiber or just like a soft rag. I also have a slightly damp brush with a little bit of water, and we just use this to like kind of clean off the shoe, just to make sure there's no like dirt or dust on the shoe. We take the damp, moist brush. So for now, I think we're only gonna do the toe, polishing up some shoes. Check that out. This side looks used to look like this side. So that's pretty much all you need. I just cleaned off the toe on this. I already pre-cleaned it before with like a little bit of like, you can use rubbing alcohol. Some people do that. I find the water works just fine. You don't want to get it too wet though. You don't want to get like douse the shoe. You can just get it soaked. Just a little bit of water is fine just to get the dirt off. And then is the fun part. I feel like everybody kind of does a little bit different. I just like to get my little rag thing, pop the Make It Fun black. Ready? That was nice. And then, I don't know if there's gonna be sensational. And then I like to wrap the thingy, around my finger and like grab it with my thumb. Stop. Yeah, the toilet paper technique. And then I wonder if I don't know if this is gonna make any noise. I don't think so, but I got a little bit too much. But you just get a little bit of, no, that's probably like toxic, I don't know. But I already did this one. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier, but I already did this one. So this is what it's supposed to look like. This one still could use a little bit of work. Not fully done with it yet, but this is kind of the goal. So what you do is find the area that needs to be polished. This is like more scratched than usual, because I think these are little kid shoes. So these are more kind of beat up than, why are you looking at me like that for? It might be, or it's, I don't know, it's tiny, either way. It's a size, this is a 13. See, children. Oh, just kidding. It's a 1. That's my brother's size. Okay, anyways. And he's 8. So, maybe little kid shoes. And I just like to go in little circles and start off slow. Make sure you don't like get one part darker than the rest of it, because that's just not good. But you're really just polishing the shoe. So you kind of go like this and kind of go around. It's still going to be kind of rough because it's really hard to get leather to come back from this. But we're going to try. It smells really good too. It's like one of those spray paint things. Some people like the smell of spray paint, like me. I don't know. Or gas. You like the smell of gas? You like jazz? Yeah, so you can kind of start to see that it's like starting to kind of just get darker in the spots where it was scratched. And then you can take a little bit more. I don't really need that much more. You can kind of just circles. And you kind of want to blend it in with the rest of the leather, just to make it all look uniform. And then you kind of just use some when you need some, but not too much. Go little by little. I'm a professional, I'm not a guru. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks nice. And then pretty much just the goal is to make it look shiny, make it look nice, make them look new. And that's yeah. So you can see already, we're getting close to make them looking good. And then you kind of just, I think at this point, I like to let it sort of dry, kind of. Just let it sit for a second before I come back to it. I just find that it works better and it looks nicer. So I'm gonna take pause on the toe, and we're just gonna kind of spot, like shine the other spots. I can't tell if this is dirt. We're gonna go over it again with this damp, moist brush. And I just have a little bit of water here. You kind of just dip it in the water. I like to like kind of, anyways, and then you kind of just brush it off on a towel. Where'd it go? It landed on Pivot socks. Buy them. They're good. Nice save. Just trying to make it so it's not like wet. Anyways. while I'm cleaning, 360. You completely missed it. Oh no, is it another drug bust? It was zooming. Anyways, no. Now I have on mine, okay, on this one, I have, yep, there's the brown side and there's the black side. I don't really do that. I'm getting there. I'm close. On YouTube I am. Dink, just a little bit, and then we're just gonna go around and find spots that needs help. It's all with blending. Blending is, it's like putting on makeup. You're putting makeup on a shoe. That makes sense.
Do you know how to put on makeup?
I had a YouTube pass. That was gold. Yep. Hey, that should mean. Okay, and then this is where the horse brush comes in. Forgot to do it on the toe box, but I forgot we had this. This is more, it's like blend it more, I guess. Just make it look nice. Just make it look like it's, I don't know how to explain it. Just brush it, aight? Just kidding. But yeah, brush it. I want one of those big chonky ones, the huge horse brush that you can just go, whatcha, 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 you know?
You said it smelled like apples, but I bleeped out your...
I forgot that was... Something smells like, not sure what.
Is that in the video?
Yeah. It smells like...
You said it smelled like apples, but I just bleeped.
It actually looked like Ben was so like concerned about his. He was like, my mom watches these. That'd be funny though. And check that out. Looks shiny, looks nice, doesn't it? Except for right here. I haven't done this part yet, but ignore that for just right now. Pretty nice. Yeah, so, I mean, you just kind of do that around the whole shoe. And then when you're done, make sure it all looks even, looks nice. And so you polish the shoe. You can't really mess up. I say that, but you probably could. But it's kind of hard to. Us as professionals, you know, we is. See that? Professionals. Okay, good, because I didn't really want it to. 50 seconds? This is, the secret word is, it needs to be food related. That's like my thing. Grapefruit.
Okay.
I do? Oh, cool. What should my secret word be? Starch? Baking powder?
What was the first one?
Well, today or early this morning, 1 a.m.-ish.
First thing in the...
Peaches and cream.
Like, just...
Oatmeal. Peaches and cream oatmeal. But I like peaches.
No,
Peaches out in Georgia. Oh, yeah. Bad at...
song.
Did you just say it's not a good song? Are you kidding me? That song's a banger. Okay, well, comment peaches in the comments. And then we'll choose your comment in the next video. Thanks for watching. Follow us on our socials. TikTok, Instagram. Follow my personal. CleanKIX. CleanKIX. And that's all. What's that one thing from that one thing? It's like 22 season has come to an end. Good night.
Are you handing it over to CleanKIX G, or are you just handing it
Yeah.
and walking it away?
Let's hand it over to CleanKIX G. Does that look cool? Is that dope?
We end the video.